Hey there. Co-parenting is hard enough without arguing over money by text message. Who paid for the dentist? Whose turn was the soccer fee? And as of today, who actually owes whom? This is the co-parenting and blended family shared expense tracker, and it settles that question with a number instead of an argument. Let me walk you through it. We start on the Start Here tab. It explains what the file does, how to set it up in 5 minutes, and the 4 rules that keep the balance honest, the most important being that only expenses you both mark agreed count toward what's owed. Read it once and you're set. Next is the dashboard. It shows the current balance. Who owes whom right now? Both parents' contributions, and 8 plain English sentences telling you exactly what needs attention this week. The Settings tab is where everything is defined. You put both parents' names in, list your children, and set the split percentage for each category. Because it isn't always a flat 50-50, it's whatever your agreement says. Type 1 parent's share, and the other is worked out for you. The expense ledger is the core sheet with 150 rows. You enter the full amount you paid, not half. And each row works out both parents' shares and who's owed. Only the gold cells are yours to fill in. Everything else is protected, so it can't be overwritten. The reimbursements tab is where you log every payment between parents the day the money moves. That's what actually clears the balance. Marking an expense. Agreed doesn't move money, a reimbursement does. Child support tracks what's due, what's paid, the date and method, and keeps a running arrears or credit figure by month. The medical tab handles the billed amount, what insurance covered, and the out-of-pocket, and it flows straight into each child's deductible progress. School and activities lists upcoming fees with due dates, who's registering, and an automatic overdue flag so nothing slips. The custody calendar counts nights with each parent by month, with a check that the nights actually add up to the month. Per child summary breaks down the annual cost per child by category and each parent's contribution. Useful when one child's expenses run higher than the others. Disputed expenses is a dated documentation trail: who raised it, the reason, the response, the resolution, and how many days it's been open. Everything is tracked separately, so nothing is lost and nothing is silently claimed. And the annual summary is a clean 1-page figure set you can hand straight to a mediator, an attorney, or the court without recreating a year of records from memory. And that's the whole tracker. It arrives with a full fictional year loaded, so you can see every formula working before you trust it with your own numbers, and it runs in both Excel and Google Sheets. If keeping the money side of co-parenting calm and clear would help, the link to grab it is in the description. Thanks so much for watching.